The word we'll be learning in this section is yuki, which you will often hear in situations involving acts of valor, overcoming challenges, or when someone is taking a bold step without fear. The word yuki means courage. It captures the feeling of having the strength to face fear or adversity bravely. It's often used to describe someone who acts with bravery in difficult situations. The first kanji means bravery and courage, the kind of inner strength someone shows when they face danger. You can see this kanji in yusha, where it names a hero, and in yukon, where it describes a courageous attitude. So the kanji brings the sense of boldness into those words. The second kanji means spirit or energy, and often points to moods, air, or vital force. It appears in genki to talk about health and lively energy, and in tenki to talk about the weather, where it expresses the state or atmosphere of the sky. Even if I am scared, I will muster up courage. 私は怖くても勇気を出します。私は怖くても勇気を出します。He has courage. 彼は勇気がある。彼は勇気がある。I have courage. 私は勇気を持つ。私は勇気を持つ。He summoned his courage. 彼は勇気を振り絞った。彼は勇気を振り絞った。The most common synonyms of the word yuki are tanryoku. They both convey the idea of bravery. However, tanryoku leans more towards inner strength or nerve, while yuki often emphasizes the aspect of taking daring actions. The most common antonyms of the word yuki are kyofu. The word kyofu describes the feeling of fear or being scared, which is the opposite of the courage expressed by yuki.